Do you feel nervous every time you speak English? Do you hesitate or stammer or think अगर गलत बोल गए तो क्या होगा? You are not alone. Most of the learners feel stressed because they focus on perfection, not communication. When I started learning English, I used to get extremely stressed before speaking. How to say without stress? Number one, focus on communication, not perfection. It is absolutely important. It's about being understood. Stop thinking about grammar, accent. Then start thinking and focusing on your message. Your goal is to convey ideas, not impress anyone with it. Now, secret number two, it is accept mistake. They are the part of learning. Mistakes are natural. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers, and even I do sometimes make a lot of mistakes. So, if you are making mistakes, so don't get stressed, just accept mistakes are the part of my learning. Then your stress disappears. Try saying it's okay if I make mistakes. I'm learning, I'm in the progress of learning. So your confidence grows instantly by saying these positive words. Next, number three, practice small everyday conversation. Stress often comes up thinking big instead of imagining lot of things. Just try to put it into words. Start small, talk to yourself first, describe your day, describe your surroundings in English, repeat the sentence and keep on practicing. Small, consistent practice builds fluency and reduces stress gradually. Even try 10 minutes daily, that will really work. Then, the next secret, slow down and breathe. Most learners rush when they speak up. Because they are nervous, they rushing decreases their pace and it shows that they are not confident. So pause, breathe, relax and speak up. Slow speech improves clarity and it reduces anxiety also. Shift focus from yourself towards what the other things around you. And instead of worrying what people think, focus on helping them understand. You change your focus. And your focus here should be communication, not judgment. Your audience wants to understand you, not criticize you. Give these thoughts to your mind. Remember, stress comes from an unrealistic expectation. Focus on communication, accept mistakes, practice daily, and shift your focus. Speaking English become fun and natural when you follow these steps. Stop worrying about perfection. Start focusing on speaking clearly and confidently. The secret is communication. So it is mindset plus practice. And start today and notice your English will start becoming stress free soon. I wonder you will follow these steps and you will surely improve. And don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video.